Hello. Please unmute yourself once you're ready so we can start, okay?
Ờ, đang có tiếng
Hi.
bật tiếng được chưa? Hello teacher.
Hello. Good evening. Can you open your camera for me, please? Oh, you can't open it. Okay.
Nó hỏi
Hi.
câu đi, cho cô nghe tiếng Anh nữa.
Hi, teacher.
Evening. How are you tonight?
I'm great.
That's good to
Hỏi
know.
câu tên.
Can you tell me first, what did you do today?
I'm draw picture.
Oh, do you have an art class?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Wait, can you show me your drawing? Is it possible for you to show me your drawing? Can I see it? Or no? No. Okay, so you are very shy. Wait, can you tell me what is your name?
My name is Mintry.
Okay. Do you have an English name or no?
Yes.
What is your English name?
Elsa.
Oh, what a very nice name. Can I call you Elsa instead?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, hello, Elsa. And for tonight, I will be your teacher, and I am teacher Alf. So, is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Elsa. Now, let me share my screen. And yeah, for tonight, we will have a listening activity. In here, all you have to do is to listen and stick, then say. Okay, let us hear it. Are you ready now, Elsa?
Yes.
You.
Start up. Page 11. A. Listen and stick. Then say.
1. Sunny.
Which picture shows that? Mm-hmm.
1.
Yes. Do you know how to spell it? Do you want to write your answer, Elsa, or no?
I now got a pen.
Oh, you don't have your pen with you. That's fine. Okay, just tell me your answers then.
Sunny.
Is sunny.
2.
Okay, yes, very good.
Cloudy. Cloudy.
Okay. How's the weather?
It's cloudy.
Very good.
3. Raining. Raining.
Mhm. Okay, we'll hear it
4.
all, Elsa, and I will
Snowing.
ask you questions.
Snowing. 5. Windy. Windy. 6. Hot. Hot. 7. Cold. Cold. 8. Warm.
Okay, there you have it.
Warm.
Now, let me ask you questions again since you don't have your pen with you. Can you tell me how's the weather?
It's sunny.
Very good. How's the weather?
It's cloudy.
How's the weather?
Is rainy.
Very good. How's the weather?
Is snowy.
Okay, yes, snowing or snowy. Now, how's the weather?
Is windy.
Very good. How's the weather?
Is hot.
Okay, how's the weather?
Is cold.
How's the weather?
Is warm.
Well done, Elsa. Very smart. Now, can you tell me how's the weather in your place today?
Is warm.
Oh, it's warm. What about in the afternoon? Did it rain?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Where in Vietnam do you live, Elsa?
Yes.
Where in Vietnam do you live? Do you live in Hanoi?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hanoi is very beautiful as well, but it is crowded, I must say. Do you like living in Hanoi?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, so now, Elsa, let us have this one. Okay, so we will read this. Okay, can you read it, Elsa?
Mom, how the weather today?
It's sunny
Is
and warm now.
oh, it's very windy.
Oh no, it's raining now.
Marco, are you okay?
Okay, do you think Marco is okay, Elsa? Is he okay?
Yes.
Yes, he is. No, he doesn't look okay at all, Elsa. Now, in here, we can see Marco going to school and going back home. What kind of transport do you use, or how do you go to school, Elsa? Do you walk? How do you go to
Yes.
school? Oh, yes, you do. Is your school near from your house?
Yes.
Okay, I see. That is why. Now, since we're talking about weather, then might as well let us talk about the seasons. Do you know the four seasons, Elsa?
Mm,
Do you know the four seasons?
Yes.
What are the four seasons? Can you tell me?
Hot, sunny, warm, spring.
Mhm. Okay, thank you so much for that, Elsa. Yes, we do have a spring, we have a summer, winter, fall, and spring. Okay, what season is it now in Vietnam?
Mm,
What season is it now in Vietnam, Elsa? It's
Spring, autumn, and warm and sunny.
oh, okay. So I believe it is. Is it summer or spring in Vietnam?
Mm, in Vietnam,
Yeah, what season is it now?
is
Spring? Is it spring?
is sunny.
Oh, okay. It's summer. Still summer. Okay. Thank you for that. Now, Elsa, let us proceed to this one. Look and say, how's the weather? Okay, so now can you tell me, how's the weather?
Is rainy.
Very good. How's the weather?
Is cold.
Very good. How's the weather?
Is snowing.
Okay, very good, Elsa. How's the weather?
Is sunny.
Very good. How's the weather?
Is windy.
How's the weather?
Is hot.
Okay, very smart, Elsa. Thank you so much for that. Now let us have this one. Listen and number. Oh, we have to number this one, Elsa. So you have to use your pen. Can you use your fingers to write numbers?
I don't have pen.
Oh, you don't have pen? See, we have annotate. Can you see the word annotate?
Bạn có thấy từ annotate không?
No.
Oh no, you can't. Oh no. So now let us try answering this one. Elsa, listen and tell me the answer.
Speak up. Page 12. B. Listen and number. Number 1.
How's the weather?
It's raining.
Which picture shows that, Elsa? Okay, wait, let me just write letters. Is it A, B, C, or D?
B.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Number 2.
Is it sunny today?
No, it isn't. It's very cloudy.
What about for that one, Elsa?
D.
Okay, yes, very good. It's D.
Number 3.
How's the weather today?
It's cold and snowing.
A.
Okay, yes, very good, Elsa. And the last one.
Number 4.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is. It's very hot too.
Okay.
C.
Okay, yes, well done, Elsa. Thank you for that. By the way, what is your favorite season?
Is warm.
Oh, okay, I see. What about winter? Do you like winter, Elsa?
Yes.
Okay, so now, oh no. Okay, so let us skip this one and, or, yeah, we have to skip this one since you don't know how to use your pen. Okay, so now let us have this. Does he have a glue? Do you know what glue is, Elsa?
Yes.
Okay, I see. That's good. Now let us have a singing activity. So listen and chant this one with me.
Unit 3. Does he have glue? Warm up. Page 14. A. Listen and chant.
Teacher,
Glue.
teacher, wait for me.
Yes, okay,
Teacher-
Elsa. Yeah, that's fine.
Teacher, wait. Teacher, wait for me. Teacher,
Okay, welcome back. Yes, welcome back, Elsa. Now let us continue with this
Glue.
one.
Does he have glue? Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yes, he does.
He does.
Ruler. Ruler. Does he have a ruler?
Has a ruler?
Uh-uh. No, he
No,
doesn't.
he doesn't.
Scissors. Scissors. Does she have
She
scissors?
has scissors? Uh-huh.
Yes, she does.
She does.
Crayons. Crayons. Does she have crayons? No, she
No,
doesn't.
she doesn't.
Glue. Glue. Does he have glue? Yes, he does. Ruler. Ruler. Does he have a ruler? No, he doesn't. Scissors. Scissors. Does she have scissors? Yes, she does.
She
yes, he
does.
does.
Crayons.
Crayons.
Crayons. Does she have crayons? No, she
No, she
doesn't.
doesn't. Okay, thank you so much for singing it with me, Elsa. Okay, do you like to sing?
Yes.
Do you like to sing? Oh, yes, you do. I see. That is why you enjoy that one. Okay, so now let us try answering this one. Elsa, can you tell me what is it?
Is glue.
Very good. What is it?
Is ruler.
Great job. What is it?
Is uh is eraser.
Well done. It's an eraser, or we can call it as well a rubber. Okay, now what about this?
Is scissors.
Yeah, very good. Scissors. Next one, Elsa.
Is crayon.
Well done. What about
Is
this?
book.
Okay, yes, a book. And
Mm,
do you know this one? Okay, stapler, Elsa. Stapler. Stapler. Yes. And the last one we have.
pencil case.
Okay, yes, very good, Elsa. Do you have all of these things? Do you have it all?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. What other things do you have in your bag?
Is ru- is ruler and a rubber.
Oh,
Scissors.
ruler, scissors. What else?
And book.
Notebooks.
Pencil
Okay.
case.
Pencils too. Pencils and crayons, right? Do you have them?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, Elsa. Now, let us have this one now. Okay, so we'll just read it together. Okay, so now can you read this one, Elsa?
Do you have crayon?
No, I don't. Alex has crayons.
Which does he have ruler?
Yes, he does.
Exciting. Does he
Excellent.
have scissors too?
I think so.
Do you have anything? Oh,
I have nothing. Can you read this word again, Elsa?
is Excellent.
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 Okay, yes, there
Excellent.
you have it. Yes. Can you tell me, what do we use crayons for?
Mm,
What do we use it for, Elsa?
is draw.
We use it to...
Draw.
Okay, wait. What do we use it for?
Chúng ta dùng nó để làm gì?
Is draw. Draw.
Okay, to draw and to color. Okay, very good. Now, what about a ruler? What do we use it for?
Is mm,
To make what? To make straight
To
lines, right?
yes.
Okay, indeed. Now, what about scissors? What do we use it for?
Mm,
Scissors to... What do
Scissor.
you think? Yeah, what do we use scissors for? We use it
Is
to...
Is cut.
Yes, to cut the paper. Very good, Elsa. Great job for that one. Now, let us have another one. Okay, look and say, does she have a notebook? Yes, she does. Does he have crayons? No, she doesn't. Now, can you tell me, Elsa, does she have a notebook? Does she have a notebook?
Yes, she does.
Okay. Does she have a ruler?
Yes, she does.
Okay. Does she have a pencil case?
Yes, she does.
Does she have staplers?
No, she doesn't.
Does she have a glue?
Mm, no, she doesn't.
Does she have a ruler?
Yes, she does.
Does she have crayons?
Mm, no, she doesn't.
Does she have scissors?
No, he doesn't.
Well done, Elsa. All accurate answers. What about you? What do you want to have, Elsa? What do you want to have?
I have pen and ruler. And rubber.
Okay. What do you want to have?
Bạn muốn gọi món gì?
Mm,
Do you have anything in mind, Elsa? What do you want to buy?
I don't buy
Anything?
anything.
Okay, so maybe you have everything you need, Elsa. That is why. Okay, so now let us have this one. Okay, in here, all you have to do is to draw lines. Okay, so, oh no, you can't draw lines again. Just tell me what each person has or doesn't have.
Speak up. Page 16. B. Listen and draw lines. Number 1.
Julie has glue, but she doesn't have scissors.
What did you hear, Elsa?
I
Julie
has all scissors.
Does she have scissors?
Mm,
It's okay, Elsa. So in the audio, it says Julie has a glue, but she doesn't have scissors. Okay? Doesn't have scissors. Okay, now we'll just continue the rest of it next meeting, Elsa. And that would be all
yeah.
for our class tonight. Thank you so much and have a restful evening with your family. Goodbye, Elsa. Good night,
Goodbye,
Elsa.
teacher.